ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸ், நம்ம பார்க்க போகிறது ஐஇஎஸ் இந்தியன் இன்ஜினியரிங் சர்வீஸோட மெக்கானிக்கல் இன்ஜினியரிங்கில் 10th டாபிக் டிசைன் ஆஃப் மெஷின் எலிமெண்ட்ஸ். இந்த டாப்பிக்கில் ரிவர்டட் ஜாயின்ட்ஸ் என்னன்னு பார்த்துடலாம். ஃபர்ஸ்ட், riveted joints. A riveted joint is a permanent joint with mainly two components parts to be joined, which are held together by a rivet with the head at top and tail at the bottom. Next is the geometry of rivet. The rivet, the head, body or shank, the tail. This is forming die, clearance. This is the plates, the rivet, backside die. The rivet heading process. Next, rivet heading process. Riveting. Rivet heading process is done with the help of forming die and backup die, which keep a rivet in between them, and by application of force, the rivet is set in the parts to be joined. Equal and opposite force makes rivet to deform, and tail part of the rivet is converted to head at the bottom, so the complete rivet is seated in the plates. In this riveting process, the tail of the rivet is converted to head, which is sometimes called shop head. For riveting, parts to be joined are first drilled with the help of a drilling machine. Clearance is taken into consideration while riveting because by pressing the application diameter of the rivet is somewhat increased. Usually clearance is considered as per following. In diameter of rivet, D is equal to 12 to 24 mm. Clearance C is equal to 1.5 mm. In diameter of rivet, D is equal to 24 to 48 mm. Clearance C is equal to 2 mm. Next, rivet material. Usually, rivet is made up of wrought iron or soft steel due to lower hardness, which is necessary to have easy deformation during riveting. Sometimes copper, aluminum are used in corrosive environment. Only material requirements are ductility, toughness and hardness. IS 2100-1962 gives the steel rivet application specifications which are used in boilers. Manufacturing of rivets. Rivets are made from rolled bars by the process of cold heating or cold upsetting. Next, types of riveted joints. There are two types: lap joints and butt joints. Both joints are also subclassified into single riveted and double riveted. Sometimes based on joint strength, triple riveted are also possible. Single riveted means one row of the riveted in joint. Lap joint, plates to be joined with rivet. Next one, butt joint. This is two plate support plate, rivet, plates to be joined. This is lap joint, this is butt joint. Next, advantages of riveted joints. Cheaper fabrication cost, low maintenance cost. Dissimilar metals can also be joined. Even non-metallic joints are possible with riveted joints. Ease of riveting process. Next, disadvantages of riveted joints. Skilled workers required. Leakage may be a problem for this type of joints, but this is overcome by special techniques. Next, applications of riveted joints. We are an application to the first one, boiler shells. Next one, structures, members and bridges parts use பண்றோம். Next, railway wagons and coaches use பண்றாங்க. Next one, buses and trucks use பண்றாங்க. Okay friends, further video further topics பத்தி பார்க்கலாம். Okay, thank you.